Hi Dave.
Hello.
Is the CIU Bus app really on Play Store?
Yeah. And I have downloaded the latest version today.
Wow, really? Teach me please.
First of all, open Google Play Store and type CIU Bus. Click search and wait for it to load. Install this. Select next. You can hit the star, if you like it. I like it, so it's fair to do this, feels good. Open the app.
Wow Dave, it's epic. A new update as well.
Yeah. It's not all, there are lots of awesome features too. The first is the CIU bus location. This gives you the exact location of the CIU buses instantly. Next feature is the bus schedule. This gives you the summary of all the bus service hours throughout the week.
Thanks Dave.
You always welcome, Sierra.
Thank you for watching. From our team CIU Watch, we say see you in the next video.
And don't forget to hit subscribe button, like and even comment on this video.